More bloopers.
Oh, that's it.
It's you.
You're just being a rascal. Mwah. She's crazy today. You're crazy.
How dare you!
I need to give you like a toy so you can.
She's like, what are you doing?
I'm doing my vocal warm-ups.
That's weird.
She is so over filming right now. She's like, Mom, I want to go down.
Me trying to act sad.
Please. Can you please let me Can you please let me Can you please let me film? Can you please let me film? She's just fighting. I'm glad you liked your little food.